You're in the world's largest library, filled with endless books on every topic you can think of. Exciting, right? But there's a problem: there are no signs, no maps, and no helpful librarians. You're just standing there, staring at a sea of knowledge, not knowing where to begin. Now, imagine someone handing you a treasure map. Each X marks the spot where you'll find exactly what you're looking for, plus a few hidden gems you didn't even know existed. Suddenly, the library isn't so overwhelming. You're exploring books, discovering more than you ever thought possible, and having a great time while doing it. This, my friends, is what internal linking does for your website visitors and your SEO. It's that treasure map that guides both your readers and search engines through the valuable content you've created, making sure nothing gets lost in the vast library of your site. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Magnet, your go-to spot for all things SEO, where we turn complicated strategies into simple steps anyone can follow. If you want to level up your website's visibility, you're in the right place. Oh, and don't forget to check the links in the description below. I've got some awesome resources lined up for you. And hey, if you enjoy what you see, give that like button a little love, smash that subscribe button, and share this video with anyone who wants to boost their SEO game. Now, let's get linking. Alright, so you've heard the buzz about SEO, right? It's like the magic potion that gets your website noticed by search engines. But here's a little secret: there's a trick that's often overlooked but packs a punch when done right. Enter internal linking. Yup, it's not just about throwing links all over the place. It's like the secret ingredient in your grandma's lasagna: simple, but it makes all the difference. So, what the heck is internal linking? Let's break it down. Imagine you're writing a blog about the best cat toys. Within that blog, you mention how a certain toy pairs perfectly with homemade cat food, which, surprise, you've also written about. You link that mention to your other article. Boom! That's internal linking in action. It's as simple as that. But why should you even care about linking pages on your own site? Let me explain. Think of internal links like the signs in a shopping mall. They help visitors find their way around your site. The easier it is for people to find what they're looking for, the longer they'll stick around. It's just like shopping: when you know where everything is, you end up exploring more, right? Here's the cool part: internal linking doesn't just help your visitors, it also helps you. It's like setting up a treasure hunt where the treasure is your awesome content. The more links you have, the more clicks you get, and the more page views you rack up. Simple math, my friends. And the SEO juice? That's the big one. Internal links give Google a clear roadmap to your best stuff, helping your pages climb up the search rankings like a spider on the web. Speaking of spiders, here's a fun fact: search engines use these little bots, sometimes called spiders, to crawl through your site and index your pages. When you use internal links, it's like putting up neon signs that say, "Hey Google, this way to the good stuff." But let's delve into the details for a moment. When you're creating these internal links, the text you use matters a lot. It's called anchor text, and it's like a mini description for the linked page. Instead of saying something boring like "click here," you want to be descriptive, like "best cat toys" or "homemade cat food recipes." This helps both your readers and search engines understand what the link page is all about. Now, not all links are created equal. Links that are closer to your homepage tend to be more powerful, kinda like having VIP access. So, make sure your most important pages aren't buried too deep. Also, contextual links, the ones within the main content of your page, are more valuable than links hanging out in the footer or sidebar. It's like getting a recommendation from a trusted friend rather than a stranger. Okay, now that you're pumped about internal linking, let's talk strategy. Here's how you can get started. Link to relevant content. Always link to content that's relevant to what your reader is currently reading. If someone's checking out your tips on cat grooming, link to your guide on the best cat brushes. It's all about keeping them engaged and informed. Use a clear structure. organize your site logically. Categories, tags, and a well-thought-out menu aren't just for show. They help both your visitors and search engines navigate your site like a pro. Keep it natural, don't overdo it. You don't want your content to look like a spammy link farm. Use internal links where they make sense and add value. Update old content. Whenever you add new content, go back to your older posts and update them with links to your latest articles. This not only boosts your SEO but also gives your old content a new lease on life. Use tools for help. Managing internal links can get overwhelming, especially as your site grows. That's where tools like Surfer SEO and Mangools come in handy. They're like your personal SEO assistants, helping you find linking opportunities and optimize your strategy. Let's take a closer look at these tools. Surfer SEO is like having a personal coach that gives you insights to improve your rankings. Its content editor feature is a lifesaver, helping you optimize your articles with the right keywords and internal links. Mangools is another fantastic tool that offers a suite of features perfect for both beginners and pros. Its site profiler tool gives you a bird's-eye view of your website's structure, helping you spot those golden linking opportunities. Plus, with the KW Finder tool, you can discover keywords to weave naturally into your internal links. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover some best practices. Balance your links, don't just link to your own content. Mix in some external links to credible sources. It's all about building trust. Monitor your links, regularly check for broken links and fix them. No one likes clicking on a dead end. Track your performance, use analytics tools to see how your internal linking strategy is working. Look for increases in page views, time on site, and lower bounce rates. These are all signs that you're on the right track. And that concludes it. Internal linking might seem like a small detail, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to boosting your SEO. It helps people navigate your site, keeps them engaged, and gives your content that extra SEO boost it needs to climb the search rankings. If you haven't started working on your internal linking strategy, now's the time. And remember, those tools I mentioned, Surfer SEO and Mangools? They're like your secret weapons. You can try them out for free, so why not give it a shot and see the magic for yourself? Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share it with anyone looking to up their SEO game. And don't forget to check the description below for all the resources we talked about. Happy linking, and may the SEO gods be ever in your favor. See you in the next video.